Namaste and welcome to my channel Watch and Learn Hindi.
Namaste and welcome.
It's quiz time again. This is the fourth quiz in the quiz series. If you would like to try quiz numbers 1, 2 and 3 also, the links are in the description. Today's quiz is based on a video that I posted earlier. 100 Hindi sentences to get you through a day. The link for this video is also in the description. Now, in today's quiz, there are a total of 20 questions. All are multiple choice, so for each Hindi sentence, you will have a choice of 3 sentences in English. Of course, you will get some time to think over your answer, for which there will be a timer at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are done with the quiz, do let me know in the comments section how many of your answers were correct. Now before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after this quiz, check out some of my other videos. Also, if you would like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee, the link is in the description. Let's start.
The first sentence is मैं शिकागो में रहता हूँ. Your options are A. I am going to Chicago. B. I live in Chicago. C. Chicago is a big city and your timer starts now. And the correct answer is B. I live in Chicago. मैं शिकागो में रहता हूँ.
Next sentence is मैं काम पर हूँ. A. I am sleeping. B. I am at work. C. I am not working. And the correct answer is B. I am at work. मैं काम पर हूँ.
मैं आपको देख सकता हूँ. I can see you. I will see you tomorrow. See you later. The correct answer is I can see you. मैं आपको देख सकता हूँ.
मैं ऑस्टिन गई थी. I am going to Austin. I am from Austin. I went to Austin. I went to Austin. मैं ऑस्टिन गई थी.
आप मुझे याद हैं. A. I remember you. B. I remember her. C. I remember him. And the answer is I remember you. आप मुझे याद हैं.
हम कब मिल सकते हैं? A. When can we leave? B. Can we meet now? And C. When can we meet? And the correct answer is C. When can we meet? हम कब मिल सकते हैं?
मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am going to get married. I am married. I am unmarried. And the answer is C. I am unmarried. मैं अविवाहित हूँ.
Next is मैं लिख रही हूँ. I am writing. I am sleeping. I am walking. The correct answer is A. I am writing. मैं लिख रही हूँ.
मुझे यह पता है. You know this? I know this. I know that. And the answer is I know this. मुझे यह पता है.
The 10th sentence is यह असंभव है. This is difficult. This is possible. This is impossible. And the correct answer is C. This is impossible. यह असंभव है.
चलो खेलें. Let's eat. Let's walk. Let's play. And the answer is C. Let's play. चलो खेलें.
मेरे 2 भाई हैं. I have 2 brothers. I have 2 sisters. I have 3 children. I have 2 brothers. मेरे 2 भाई हैं.
मैं उदास हूँ. I am sleepy. I am happy. I am sad. And the answer is I am sad. मैं उदास हूँ.
हम कब जा सकते हैं? A. Where are you going? B. When can we go? C. Can we eat this? The correct answer is B. When can we go? हम कब जा सकते हैं?
मैं थका हूँ. I am excited. I am tired. I am sleepy. And the right answer is B. I am tired. मैं थका हूँ.
मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ. A. I will stand now. B. I can see you. C. I will eat later. B. I can see you. मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ.
क्या आप आ रहे हैं? Are you coming? Are they coming? Are we going? And the answer is Are you coming? क्या आप आ रहे हैं?
आप सही हैं. He is right. She is wrong. You are right. You are right. आप सही हैं.
यह कठिन है. This is difficult. This is impossible. This is done. And the right answer is this is difficult. यह कठिन है.
And the last sentence is मुझे हिंदी आती है. I am learning Hindi. I like Hindi. I know Hindi. The correct answer is I know Hindi. मुझे हिंदी आती है. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.